Here comes Mary, pretty Mary. Oh, but she looks so sad. She loves Tommy, but Tommy's mother keeps telling him that Mary's bad. They plan to marry in the chapel, then the idol call began. Now the bells will never ring out, there'll be no ring on Mary's hand. Why can't the bells ring for Mary in the chapel in the sky? Why can't the bells ring for Mary? All she did was sit and cry. Here comes Tommy, I guess that Tommy slipped away to meet his love. They cross the street now to meet each other, they don't see the light above. Oh, the car is rushing toward them, Mary pushes him aside. As she lies there oh so still now, I keep thinking as I cry. Why can't the bells ring for Mary in the chapel in the sky? Why can't the bells ring for Mary? All she did was sit and cry. Oh, Mary lies there in the chapel by her side, Tommy's sand. He takes a ring out of his pocket and places it on Mary's hand. Then the bells ring for Mary in the chapel in the sky. Then the bells ring for Mary, and never again will Mary cry.